Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SolveCraft for this new video. First, check out this channel. It has only 86 videos so far, and if you look at its subscribers, this channel isn't old. Look at its joining date. It joined July 9th, 2025, and this channel is based in the USA. Look at its views. Its creator is racking up millions. These videos are based on the same niche as how people in the past survived. It's such an interesting niche that many people are already working on it. But it's never too late to start anything. So you can start working on this niche today and grow your channels. You'll need to generate titles, scripts, and videos, and I'll provide all the prompts in my Telegram channel. You can find my Telegram channel in the video description. You just need to copy and paste them from there. So let's start the process. First, we need to create title, script, and visual prompts, so just simply copy the first prompt pasted into ChatGPT. This is a detailed print, which will give you variations on titles and a variety of titles. So simply go to Generate. So look, ChatGPT has instantly given you 10 ideas here. You can submit your monthly stock one by one. You can read them and highlight the title you like. Just like I like this second title, what do we do now? Now, we've created this second print script. This is also written in the prompt page. You'll find this in my Telegram channel as well. You simply copy it from here and then go to the ChatGPT and paste it in. There are a few variations. I'll tell you about them. What do you have to do? Simply do this. Here, where the title option is, you simply select the title you liked. I like this second one. Simply copy it and paste it down here. Once you do this, you simply click on the Generate button. It will provide you with a full-on script. You can check the details to see how long the script has been given to us. This depends on the length of your video as to how long you want it to be. So, as I mentioned above, I need a script of 800 to 1,000 words. You can change it here. You can make the script as long as you want. Now, the last part we need to paste here is the visual. You simply copy the visual part from here and then go to the ChatGPT and paste it. After pasting, you can see here I've automatically specified 20 cinematic shots. So it will give me 20, but you can divide it. You can change it according to the video length. When you scroll down, you'll see that it's asking for a script. You simply copy the script that ChatGPT gave you above. As it is, you can copy whatever the script length is. You just need to bring it down and paste it here. So, as soon as you generate it, ChatGPT gives you the scripts for the scene here. So look, I told ChatGPT to give me 20 images prompt. You can generate any number of them from here. Now, you need to go to Google and type in Google or Flow, and you just click on the first website. After clicking, you'll be taken to Create with Flow. Log in with your email address. Click on New Project. You'll be taken to an interface like this. Understand that there are 3 options: text to video, frame to video, and another option below. Go to text to video. We have simple text. What do? Simply copy the text from scene 1, paste it here. After pasting, you can see from the side that you'll need to set a few things. For example, your aspect ratio should be YouTube size. Select that. You need to select your model. Like I've selected VO 3.1 here. I'm using VO 3 Ultra, so I have plenty of credits. Almost over 45,000 credits, but when you get the Pro version of this, you will get 1,000 credits, and per video generation 20 credits will take. And here you need to select one in the output option so that only one video is created for you. So you need to click Generate. And the advantage of creating videos in Flow is that all the sounds you have in the background, like the sound of walking and any sound effects, will automatically be generated here, so your video is ready. You can play it and watch it. If you don't like it after satisfying yourself, you can get it recreated. This will be an 8-second video. You simply need to go to Downloads, and you can see that there's a 1080p upscale option if you click on it. Your video is currently in 720p. After upscaling it from here, it will become 1080p. Its quality will be much better. So you simply need to download it from here and repeat the process. Copy the second part of the scene and paste it here and generate it that way. So your video will load, and after that your video will be ready. Now you need to go to your editing software. Like I work in CapCut, I'm here in CapCut. And what I need to do here is simply drag all the videos we generated here. See, the audio is included with them. What you simply need to do is adjust these videos according to your canvas. What we'll do for that is go to the effect, and after the effect, we'll have to use the scale option below. From here, you need to zoom in slightly to the extent you want to adjust your video on your canvas. Similarly, you need to follow this process for all your videos. After that, you shouldn't add anything else. No voiceovers. You don't need to add anything else because all the sounds are already recorded within the flow. So you simply need to export it, and here's your final result. I hope you understand the video. Quickly create your channels and grow on YouTube, but hard work is a requirement. So, like and subscribe to the channel. So take care until the next video. Have a great day.